Hello everyone, today I will be explaining to you on how to solve the questions on GGWP Topic 7. So let's go on to the first question. We have mentioned here a biconvex lens made of glass of refractive index 1.5. So itu the material punya refractive index. So these surfaces have the same radius of curvature. Now we have to determine the focal length of the lens in terms of R lah. Okay, so kalau macam ni kita always refer to the formulas. So if you haven't got my formula sheet, you can try to ask students from H01, 2 or 3 ataupun kamu boleh WhatsApp saya lah if you have my number, or you can just email me if you need it lah. Okay, so this is my formula sheet. So I always teach my students to refer back to the formula. Okay, always refer balik-balik dekat formula tu supaya kamu tidak salah formula. Okay, so sekarang ni if we have a lens, okay, they mention it is a biconvex lens. So if you refer to the next page, this is the type of lens. Okay, so kamu actually kena hafal lah macam mana dia punya lukisan lens tu. Okay, so sekarang they mention specifically it is a biconvex lens, so it is supposed to be this lens lah. Okay, so sekarang ni formula yang kita akan apply for this type of questions is always the lens maker's equation lah. Okay, kenapa kita guna yang ini? Sebab sekarang ni diorang ada dua radius of curvature. Okay, so that's why we have R1, R2 here. Hence telling us that this is the right formula for us to use. Okay, so sekarang F ni yang kita mau cari lah. Okay, so sekarang ni kita sudah tahu dia punya situation. We already know the drawing lah. Kiranya kamu punya lens ni sepatutnya macam ni. Okay, kamu tak semestinya lukis lah. Okay, dia punya lens ni kamu tak payah lukis sebab dia tiada markah pun. Okay, so this is a biconvex lens. So sekarang ni we know we have to apply the equation, lens maker's equation. So ini material divide by the medium minus 1 over R1 minus 1 over R2. So sekarang ini equation yang kita perlu guna. So sekarang ni kita tahu ke tidak material tu punya index. We know it is equal to 1.5. Sebab soalan sudah bagi di sini dia 1.5. Lepas tu apa lagi kita perlu tahu? Kita perlu tahu the medium. Since the question tidak mention dia kena immerse in water ke apakah, we always assume the medium is air. Okay, so sekarang kita akan letak medium punya refractive index is 1.00. So this one they will expect you to memorize the refractive index of A, which is basically just 1 lah. So kamu just ingat, oh refractive index untuk A mesti 1. Okay, so kita sudah jumpa this information. So now we need to know R1 and R2. They sudah specifically mentioned here radius of curvature dia sama. But then you have to understand these two here ada sign convention. So macam mana kita mau decide sign convention tu? Okay, so kalau kamu refer formula saya sudah simplify di sini lah. Okay, so sekarang ni radius of curvature tu will always be positive if the light jumpa convex surface. Okay, kalau dia jumpa concave surface, it will be negative. So contohnya di sini, light will be from the left side, it will be pointing to what surface here? This is a convex surface. So since this is a convex surface, the first radius of curvature mesti positif. Okay, so tahu sudah R1 ni mesti positif. So kita tulis lah sini kita punya information, or this one should be positive R. Sekarang how about the second radius of curvature? So kalau kita refer di sini, light from the left side goes onto the second surface here. This is a concave surface. So since this is a concave surface, apa yang kita tahu? Oh, kalau concave surface, radius of curvature should be negative. Okay, so dari sini kita tahu maksudnya, oh this one should be negative R. So do we have all the information? This one we have, this one ada, this one ada, this one ada. So boleh ke tidak kita cari F? Boleh, because we have all of the information already. So sekarang ni kita just substitute dalam equation 1 over F. So kita letak sini material is 1.5 divide by 1 minus 1 over R minus 1 over negative R. So ini kita punya substitution. So from here, if you calculate this, you will then get F to be equal to R. Okay, so markah dia bagi di mana? Markah dia bagi bahagian substitution sini dengan jawapan without the unit lah, sebab R in terms of R dia tiada unit lah. Okay, so ini cara kamu solve for question 1A. Wajib have the correct substitution, wajib tulis di answer lah. Okay, kalau usually ada unit, kamu kena tulis unit tu jugalah. Alright, so this is the solution for 1A. So from here, you will obtain 2 marks.